What if I told you that suddenly earning £1,000,000 could actually become the biggest nightmare of your entire life? Most people who make vast amounts of money without true financial literacy end up completely bankrupt within just a few short years. Financial freedom isn't a rare stroke of luck or a huge windfall dropping from the sky. It is a strategic action plan and a disciplined system that transforms your entire mindset, switching you from endlessly chasing money to making it work hard for you.
Have you ever wondered why your salary completely vanishes long before the month even ends, no matter how much your income increases? You're definitely not alone. This is the classic rat race trap catching most people today. You work exhausting hours to earn money, only to spend it all on liabilities and temporary lifestyle inflation. Escaping this endless financial prison doesn't require a higher salary. It simply takes a courageous decision to stop the bleeding of unnecessary expenses right now. Did you know that the simple £100 you spend on a quick meal or coffee today could literally cost you your future wealth? An average consumer sees small money as mere cash to spend on instant gratification, while a smart investor sees it as a powerful seed for real assets. Think of it like holding a single grain of wheat. Eat it recklessly today, and it's gone forever. But plant and nurture it patiently, and it yields multiplying profits every single harvest. How do you build an impenetrable financial fortress that permanently protects you from poverty and life's unexpected volatility? The answer lies in strictly applying the proven 3-box rule. Divide your income wisely every month. 1 box for basic living expenses, 1 emergency box for total security during crises, and a dedicated investment box whose profits are never touched but constantly reinvested to grow your long-term wealth step by step on a rock-solid foundation. What is the single most fatal trap that ruins 90% of beginner investors immediately after making their very first profit? It's showing off and rushing into luxury lifestyle inflation. A genuinely successful financial mindset reinvests every single bit of profit straight into compound wealth accumulation. Here, your money transforms from static numbers sitting in a bank account into an army of smart workers operating for you 24/7 to generate continuously growing cash flow. When can you finally look your boss in the eye and confidently say, "I quit," without fearing what tomorrow holds? Financial freedom is officially achieved the exact day returns from your investments and assets fully cover all your living expenses, with plenty to spare. Only then does work become a joyful choice driven by pure passion and comfort, not survival and stress. Financial freedom isn't a fantasy dream. It's a clear roadmap starting with one decision today. Are you ready